students of class 7th. Today we will discuss book work of chapter number 3rd in this video. Question: write true or false against each of the following sentences. The king lost his temper easily. King को बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ गया. It is true. Second, Gopal was a madman. गोपाल एक पागल आदमी था. It is false. गोपाल was a clever man. गोपाल एक बहुत ही चालाक इंसान था. Its answer is true. Fourth, गोपाल was too poor to afford decent clothes. गोपाल बहुत गरीब था जिससे वो अच्छे कपड़े नहीं खरीद सकता था. It is false. Fifth, the king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. किंग को गुस्सा आ गया जब उसको पता चला कि वो जो गोपाल के बारे में सोच रहा था वो गलत है. It is false. Now working with language, notice how in a comic book there are no speech marks when characters talk. Instead, what they say is just put in a speech bubble. However, if we wish to repeat or report what they say, we must put it into reported speech. So in this question, we will learn how to convert reported into reported speech, means direct speech into indirect speech. First one, how much did you pay for that hilsa? Answer is, the woman asked the man how much he had paid for that hilsa. Second question, why is your face half shaven? So who asked this? Gopal's wife asked him why his face was half shaven. Third, I accept the challenge, your majesty. Who said? Gopal told the king that he accepted his challenge. Fourth, I want to see the king. Gopal told the guards that he wanted to see the king. So there are some rules which we have to follow. We will read in grammar, topic, narration. Fifth, bring the man to me at once. The king ordered the guard to bring the man to him at once. Now page number 43, point out the meaning of the following words by looking them up in the dictionary. Challenge, it means ask to context, dare, chunauti dena. Second, mystic means believing in spiritual power. किसी spiritual power में believe करना. Third, comical, funny means मज़ेदार. Fourth, courtier, officials of the king's court. King के कोर्ट में काम करने वाले ऐसे advisor. Fifth, smearing, to apply coat or mark, किसी चीज़ की परत चढ़ाना या लगाना. Now page number 46, there are some pictures with which some questions are attached and you have to ask to your partner. In question number 3rd, now write the story in your own words, give it a title. So related to the pictures, you have to frame a story and it's all about a stag and its moral is all that glitters is not gold. जो सारी चमकने वाली चीज़ें सोना नहीं होती है. A stag was once drinking water at a pond. He saw its own reflection in water. एक बार एक stag पानी पी रहा था पॉन्ड में, तभी उसने अपनी परछाई पॉन्ड में वाटर में देखी. He admired his beautiful horns, but he did not like his thin and ugly legs. उसे अपनी ब्यूटीफुल हॉर्न्स पर बहुत ही घमंड था, लेकिन उसको अपने पैर अच्छे नहीं लगते थे. सडनली ही सॉ अ ग्रुप ऑफ हंटर्स रनिंग टुवर्ड्स हिम. तभी उसने एक हंटर्स का जो ग्रुप था उसको अपनी तरफ भागते हुए देखा. ही रैन इनटू द जंगल टू सेव हिमसेल्फ. अपने आप को बचाने के लिए वो जंगल की तरफ भागा. हिज लेग्स सून कैरिड हिम फार फ्रॉम द हंटर्स. और अपने पैरों की वजह से वो हंटर से दूर भाग गया. He then tried to hide himself in the bushes, but his horns were caught into the bush. तभी उसने अपने आप को छुपाने के लिए बुश के पीछे अपने आप को छुपाने की कोशिश की, मगर उसके हॉर्न्स जो थे वो बुश में फंस गए. With his best efforts, he was able to free himself. बहुत कोशिश करने के बाद वो अपने आप को वहाँ से छुड़ा पाया. Now he realized that his ugly legs helped him in saving his life. तभी उसको ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि जो उसके अगली लेग्स थे उसकी वजह से उसकी लाइफ सेव हो पाई. बट हिज ब्यूटीफुल हॉर्न्स कुड हैव कॉज्ड हिज डेथ. और जिस ब्यूटीफुल हॉर्न्स पर उसको घमंड था वो उसके मौत का कारण भी बन सकते थे. नाउ पेज नंबर 47, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग वर्ड लैडर विद द हेल्प ऑफ द क्लूज गिवन बिलो. क्लूज आर मदर, will be very dash if you don't go to school. So its answer is cross. Second, as soon as he caught dash of the sight, teacher mother Mohan started writing. Its answer is sight, means dekhna. Third, how do you like my dash kitchen garden? Big enough for you, is it? Its answer is teeny, chota. My youngest sister is now a dash old. Its answer is year, saal, verse. Fifth, standing on the dash, he saw children playing on the road. Its answer is roof. Roof means chat. Sixth, don't make such a dash, nothing will happen. Its answer is first. First means छोटी छोटी बातों पे बड़ा इशू बनाना. Seventh, don't cross the dash till the green lights comes on. Its answer is street, मतलब गली. Thank you.